Everyone is asking me this question right now. Is now a good time to buy property in Spain, or should I wait? The market has been moving very fast lately, and there are actually times when it makes sense to wait rather than buy property now. And later in this video, I'm going to explain to you why it does make sense in some situations to wait about buying property in Spain, and also why it's good to buy property right now. But first, let's talk about what's really happening in the Spanish property market right now. The Costa Blanca real estate market is in a very attractive phase right now. Resale prices have increased significantly over the past year, especially for well-located apartments and villas in good condition. At the same time, new builds are also selling very quickly. The good project often gets sold before the construction even finish. Overall, we're seeing a strong, confident market, not a bubble, not a slowdown, just genuine demand from lifestyle buyers, relocators and investors. By the way, if you are serious about buying property in Spain and want a clear overview of how everything works, I've created a free ebook that explains all the steps, taxes and tips for foreign buyers. You'll find the link in the description down below. Now, let's talk about why buying property right now makes sense for many people. First, because waiting actually has become more expensive. Many buyers who hesitated to buy last year are now experiencing that the same property cost around 10 to 15% more expensive than it did last year. Second, the interest rate have stabilized and banks remain open to foreign buyers with good profile. And third, supply is limited, both in new builds and quality resale. When something good comes up, it usually moves very fast. So if your finances are ready and your goals are clear, now is actually an excellent time to buy property. Now, I did say earlier that in some situation it actually does make sense to wait rather than buy property right now. And that's true. If you're still organizing your finances or not fully sure which area fits your lifestyle or investment plan, then use this period to prepare. Spend time exploring areas, learning about taxes and understanding the buying process. Being ready when the right opportunity appears actually makes the big difference. So my honest review, 2025 is actually a very good moment to buy property in Spain, especially here on the Costa Blanca. Both resale and new build markets are moving well. Demand is strong and Spain continues to attract serious buyers who value lifestyle and long-term stability. So yes, the prices are higher, but the fundamentals are solid. If you find a property that fits your goals and budget, it's often way better to buy the property now rather than risking to paying more for it later. If you want to understand exactly step by step how the buying process in Spain works, download my free ebook for foreign buyers using the link in the description down below. And if you want personal advice, you can also book a free consultation call with me. We'll go over your situation, your budget, and what makes the most sense for you. As always, thank you for watching, and I got some great new videos coming up soon about the best places to buy property in Costa Blanca. So I'll see you in the next one.